Hello, hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about high sole shoes. These shoes have been gaining popularity in recent years and good for good reason. They were stylish, comfortable, and offer a number of benefits. Today I am going to telling you about benefits to wearing high sole shoes. High sole shoes provide extra cushioning and support, which can make them more comfortable to wear than traditional shoes. This is especially beneficial for people who have foot pain or who are on their feet all day. High sole shoes can add a touch of style to any outfit. They were perfect for casual wear, but they can also be dressed up for more formal occasions. High sole shoes can give you a boost in height, which can be confidence boost for some people. High sole shoes can provide protection from the elements such as water, mud, and snow. They can also help to protect your feet from injuries such as sprains and strains. Some of them are medicated, which provide you extra protection and save your heels from injuries and pains. High sole shoes can be used for a variety of purposes. They were great for everyday wear as they were comfortable and stylish. They were also perfect for activities such as hiking, running, and basketball, and some more. High sole boots can be worn for work or for outdoor activities in cold weather. So, there you have it. High sole shoes are a great choice for anyone looking for comfort, style, and a height boost. If you are thinking about getting a pair of high sole shoes, I highly recommend them. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like this video and share with your family and friends so they can also be benefited from this video. Thanks.